viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's listen to chapter 36 of Kanchi Periyava. The title is Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple. Once, when Periyava went to Madurai, he stayed at Vadakku, that is north, Masi Veedi, Chatram. Whenever Periyava comes to Madurai, he will always visit and have darshan of Mother Meenakshi Devi. Shakti Devi is the goddess in Kanchi as Kamachi Devi, in Madurai as Meenakshi, and in Kasi as Kasi Visalachi Devi. As the name changes, her blessings also differentiates accordingly. If we see Meenakshi Amman clearly, there is a truth which we can see all goddess hands will show blessings, but Meenakshi Amman's hands is holding a parrot. Parrot is a sign for Vedam, that is enlightenment and knowledge. As she is holding enlightenment and knowledge, she is the guru for all gurus and giving knowledge to them all. To give blessings, she does not need to show her hands only. She shows her blessings through her eyes too. That's why we call her mean example fish eyes. Like fish, and she owns it. Achi. We call her Meenakshi, Kayarkani. In living beings, fish is the best. It has the biggest size and shape, and in counting also it is a lot, and also has smallest shape and size. Fish is the biggest living being too. It is always awake. The reason is to keep taking care of its eggs and growing its families. We using our two eyes we can see one object, but a fish uses its two eyes to see two different objects. It can also see one object with two eyes as well. There is no special place for it to see. A fish who is living in a river can flow into the sea and flows in any direction and any place. There is no control as well. How a fish looks after its eggs and its family. Meenakshi Amman also looks after her devotees very well. She is also called as Madagi. Previously, the people here also called her Angachi. She rules Madurai for the first 6 months, and the next 6 months it is ruled by Lord Shiva. In the land, the place Madurai was ruled by the Lord and Goddess. Madurai is the only place which has the Bhakyam to be ruled by the gods. If we live in the place, we will get mukti, that is salvation. In Kasi, if we die, there we get salvation, mukti. In Kanchi, if we pray, we get mukti, that is salvation. If we think of Tiruvannamalai, we get salvation, that is mukti. If we are born in Tiruvarur, we get salvation, mukti. When saying about the places, we get salvation. In Madurai, if we live and stay here, we get mukti, salvation. When living like that, we are under her ruling, and that is the point. Because of this, those living in Madurai does not like to go and settle down in other places. This after years had come to be known as even a donkey rounding Madurai will not leave Madurai for other places. It has become like a poem or a say. Next, when we say about Lord Shiva, we say Tennadudaya Sivane Potri. If we see just the outside, it will be a bit different. But if we see in detail, we can understand the true meaning. Lord Shiva does not come like Lord Vishnu and saves our devotees. Avadara means it is only for Lord Vishnu, Perumal. But Lord Shiva too has come to earth and did a lot of Tiruvilayadal, that is, a test. In that way, he had put his foot in this place, Madurai. Next is Tiruvarur. In Madurai, he has come as human many times. He has showed us many things which is the truth and helped us understand better. That's why we say Tennadudaya Sivane Potri. So many speciality for Madurai, we can't find any other place. So whenever Periyava comes to Madurai, will he miss going to meet Meenakshi Amman? Periyava prayed to Mother Meenakshi and had a bath and did puja and jabam in Potramarai Kulam. This is the place where Lord Shiva and Nakirar did fight for growing our Tamil language, Periyava said. The end. Let's see in chapter 38. Bye bye friends.